So guys, welcome to my channel today, and as you know it, I'm going to be reacting to comedy videos from Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the end.
Last card.
Oh, guy. I'm Froze, I'm sorry I took time. Oh, see your hair. When I go back to school?
I'm going tomorrow.
Ah, you have done your hair. You have done course.
I know.
Froze.
Don't chop my money like this.
The money don't. You shot the money. How much did you?
1, 2.
This guy can play. Oh.
I swear, don't chop all my money finish.
How much is to shop one?
200, bro.
If somebody is like 10,000,
Big money, you.
just card Abby.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I have one small money here.
Yeah. Bring it now.
10,000.
Yeah, I'm more bet now. Alpha, bring your money.
Then pick out myself.
Now.
Shovel.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, now. Alpha.
You pay this one.
Hold on. Pick 2. Pick 2. Hey! General market. General market. Pick 2 again. Send me last card. Pick 2. Last card, check out. You so be this buff. Change your soup.
It's not changes.
Yeah, now.
What's that? Where is it going to?
Where is it going now? You don't win now. You don't carry out the money go now. You don't win already. This your money don't go. That is where is the money that daddy says you give me? The one that you drop for my school fees.
Brother,
What happened to him?
you have go.
What happened?
The money that you win, the 10,000. It's your school fees.
My school fees that I used to play.
It's not like that. I just know that it's going.
Somebody that has gone to Ghana.
How are we gonna get it back?
So guys, if you made it to the end of this video and you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.